Let us discuss about the graph of the following function. If you observe the graph, this graph is increasing as the value of x is going to increase, but there is a point where it is jerk, and this increasing ratio is not same as the previous one. So this function is simply called as the increasing function. But if you see the graph of this function, it is continuously increased. There is no jerk in the value of f as the value of x is going on increase. When there is no jerk, so such type of function is called as the strictly increasing. See the graphs in this, as the value of x is going on increase, the value of y is going on decrease, but with the jerk, so it is called as the decreasing. And if you observe this graph, as the value of x is going on increase, the value of y is continuously decreasing, then such type of function is called as the strictly decreasing. In this interval, if you see, the function is sometime positive and sometime negative, so such type of function is neither increasing and nor decreasing, because from this point to that point the behavior is positive, and from this point to this point behavior is negative. So in this interval we observe the function is neither increasing and nor decreasing. Let us discuss one example. Show that the function fx is equals to 7x minus 3 is strictly increasing on the real number. Real means any value. Let us suppose x2 is greater than x1. As we always suppose in all the interval, the value of x2 is always greater than value of x1. Maybe function is increasing or maybe function is decreasing. Now we want to make here the same function which is given in a statement. So to make the statement, we multiply this equation by 7. So it will become 7x2 greater than 7x1. Now subtract 3 from both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides. If you observe, this is the value of function. It is called f of x2. It is observed value of f of x1. Here we observe f of x2 is greater than f of x1. Then function is said to be strictly increasing function. So it is said to be the strictly increasing function. As we observe, f of x2 is greater than f of x1. The function is strictly increasing function.